Like, subscribe, and get notified.
I basically believe that drugs are today available. You don't require sunburn to come and make drugs available. They're all shouting about sunburn and drugs. You tell me there is a festival that is organized for 3 days in Kolkata every year, and I'm sure you'll have, some of you'll have gone to the festival. You want to tell me there are no drugs there? Drugs, I believe, are available. It is our responsibility to identify those selling. Our responsibility to intimate to the police that it is available here. Let us be proactive. Let us support them. Let us help them. And let us move forward and ensure that there are no drugs available. One side, we talk of drugs. Now you tell me in your own village, drugs are not available?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What am I doing? Nothing. I feel the time has come when all of us, you and me, should walk hand in hand and let us aggressively attack this man. We are today summonized. Everybody is saying drugs, 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 drugs. I also want to know amongst the people who are saying sunburn is drugs, sunburn is... How many of them do not ask for passes? I was environment minister between 2007 and 2012. I know how many of the then MLAs have asked me for passes. I will go by the decision of the government. It is my duty to convey the sentiments of my people to the Chief Minister, which I have done. Beyond that, my hands are tied. I will go by the decision of the government.
Police itself are become Swaympurna in drugs. In the police station, the Chief Minister during demands did not reply. Baga, ye sogle pade hai. Goa today is known as a drug capital, known as the gambling capital of our state. You look at this all this year. What is all this? This is our culture. The children are watching us today. They are looking what is happening here as a casino for Big Daddy. This is not our culture. So Goa, we have to, what we were known as, is slowly changed into drug capital. This is the failure, murder capital, rape capital. Yes, and there are allegations. The police itself are police station आहे चलता मायानी आनी की दोलना ये नशा मुक्त गोय में पड मुखेल मनी सांगता ये नशा थिंगा जात मरे हेडक्वार्टर आनो नशा मुक्त गोयान की जात
हाज्या मार्फत गोय हे नशा मुक्त राज्य जावचे हाज्या खातीर सरकाराचो भर आसा आनी आमचो एंटी नार्कोटिक सेल त्यानुसार खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात कामगिरी करीत आसा.
Watch on Herald TV.